Do you think meditation is just about closing your eyes and being calm? Pause. Think again. What if I told you that almost everything you heard about meditation is wrong? My name is Dr. Han from Templum Diane Hansen Spiritual Practice Project. And before we start, subscribe now to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. And pause. Trust me, you regret if you skip. Because let me tell you truth, most people thinking about meditation today and they have no idea what they are doing. They repeat cliché, they copy each other, and they leave you lost, confused, and vulnerable. And pay very attention. Without a real guide, meditation can be dangerous, can be very dangerous. Yes, dangerous. It can open doors you are not ready to face. It can make you weak instead of strong. And that's why sects and cults love to use it for control. And they will tell you meditation means erasing yourself, cancel your mind, kill your ego, empty your soul. And once you are empty, guess who step in? They do. They take control. But there is the secret. Meditation is not about deleting yourself. It's about filling your mind with the right images, with the right thoughts, with the right power. It's about manifesting what you want, not what they want. So repeat, it's about manifesting what you want, not what they want. Everyone fails because they try to fight their own thoughts. They can't win against your mind by pushing it down. That's like trying to stop the ocean with your hands. It's like impossible. You must ride the waves instead. Real meditation is not passive. It's not sitting in silence waiting for magic. It's active. It's a weapon. It's a tool. And if you use it right, it changes your life, it changes your money, it changes your relationship, it changes your destiny. Look at how many people meditate for years and nothing changes. They are calm, yes of course, but still broke, still unhappy, still stuck. The reason is why. Because calm without direction is useless. Calm without power is weakness. That's why I am here to guide you, to protect you from the traps, and to give you the true key to meditation that works for your real life, not for fairy tales. So now, imagine closing your eyes and feeling your energy rise. So, mind with your closing eyes. Imagine focus your mind on picture of the life you desire. Imagine programming your subconscious to work for you, not to run against you. That is the real meditation. The guru don't want you to know this. Because you become powerful, you take control of your mind, and they lose control of you. And their business model collapses. Meditation is not neutral. It's either build you or destroy you. There is no middle ground. That's why you need the right guide. That's why you are here now. Think of meditation like fire. In the wrong hands, it burns down the house. In the right hands, it cooks you food, it warms you home, it forges you weapons. With my method, you stop wasting time. You stop being prey. You stop being manipulated. And you start using meditation to manifest power, love, abundance in your life. And if you want to start it now, check the link in the description. You will find a guided meditation empty-free waiting for you. Use it tonight and feel the difference tomorrow morning. And tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow you will receive the link to join the free meditation course, step by step. No secrets, no lie, no manipulation. Just the thought about meditation that works. But only if you act, only if you click, because information without action is just entertainment, and I am not there to entertain you. I am here to transform you. I am here to transform your life. So decide now. Subscribe. Get the file, join the course, and never let any horse control your mind again. This is Dr. Templum Diane, Ancient Practice, Real Power, and I'll see you inside.